So hi guys, wagwan, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I get these beautiful looking locks. I mean, them look like real turn up locks. Look at them. Ooh baby, ooh baby, yeah, so if you want to know how I get these, keep on watching. Alright, so hold on. Wait no man. Alright, you remember this here? You remember this look? Yeah. And you remember how me shave up my hair, that hair there? Yeah? Yeah? You see, do you remember those videos? If not, me go beg on go check them out because are really good videos them, honestly. Really good videos them. I'm gonna leave them in the description. So of course, knowing how me stay and me see a look, me like it, and we are trying to save some bucks and thing. Yeah. I said, well on, we could have did do this, you know. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. So hi again. Yeah, me know me look rough now, and whatever, yeah, but I just wash my hair, literally just wash my hair, and I go plait it up. There's some small sections and come back. Alright, so meanwhile me I plait up my hair, I'm going to let you guys look at how I prepare my locks. Alright, as you can see, I'm just take out all of my hair them and me I put them in my green bag. Yes, of course you can use your favorite shampoo and whatnot and just put some water in there. You can use cold water. Me use cold water. Yeah, I'm a little lazy, so I'm gonna use cold water. You can use warm water, of course. The warm water kind of help break up the grease and the dirt and whatever better. So, but you don't know, me lazy and thing. Me wash it like a normal clothes. Me I wash. Me don't know about you. Me don't know. Me I tell you what me do. Yes. So what I did afterwards was then wash out that and then me use my conditioner. Of course, to make the hair soft and something, just do it like how you do your normal hair. Honestly, I put the hair on a towel to kind of take out some of the water from it. I'm Jamaican. We kind of do it the Jamaican way. I don't know if I'm alone do this, but me always do this to my hair them when me wash them look and just make it sit in the sun and just dry. Alright, so yeah, that is how I do it. Alright, so with the right here, so no, this are the size what me I work with. Forget this, you know, see that show. Alright, these are the size that I'm working, right? Same thing for the back too as well. Alright, remember so me tell us me just wash it and something. What I have here, so and what I always do, I rub the aloe vera. Alright, so if you notice this and this me it kinda look a bit thinnish. Yes, so me put piece of braid in them two here. You know, understand, to help out the little situation we are going, man. Understand? So I put this in there. I'm gonna put one bag. I'm gonna put one bag over my hair to kinda make it steam a little bit. You got it. This is it now. I take it off. Alright, if you notice, we have some little flakes from the thingy there. All I have to do is just brush it out. Alright, so what I'm gonna do for all my hair, I'm gonna use the Shea butter. The Shea butter here. I use it for my lip and everything. Them say it helps to bring back the hairline. So alright, remember the hair what I said before? Yeah man, see it here how it look. Alright, I did have under here before. I'm gonna do it same way. So as I can see, you see it the one here thin and the one here thick. Alright, so these are the short pieces. Probably gonna go down at the back. This are the hair we left back from the video from last year. Alright, so I'm gonna go show it to you. Child please. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what I do. Alright, so you gotta get your crochet needle. Alright, so it come with the hoop. Alright, remember I said this here, that area that lock here, it's having my hair. So this, the area, and my hair when I trim off last year. You can imagine, I trim it off last year and this year I put it on back in one style. Hey, you can imagine. I'm gonna do that front one here. So you hold it here, you do like this, bam, you hook it. Make sure you go in the latch, bam, close it, come like this. Now go come right through, girl. Alright, so the end of it now, you're going to put it through right here, and it's going to be like this. You see it? Alright, this is your hair. You're going to do this again. This is where you're going to put in the middle. Go through your hair, put it in the latch, close it, and then draw it through. All right, so the hair, this hair, we're gonna do like this. Come on, tell me whip something. So you put one piece here and then you're going to use the big piece and just wrap it round. Me not do it tight because me not want it tight. It now go pull out. No, it now go pull out. You see? And right where the hair stop right here, so put it right here and then start wrapping again. Alright, I'm gonna use my hand to just make it look a bit, to make it lock in. And do like this. I'm gonna finish putting the rest and come back. Alright, let us go again since we may reach up at the top up here. So this is how it is looking. Alright, so let's go again. I'm gonna find which hair now if we go down here. So see, I have to measure it to make sure, measure it with the others. See, I have to measure it with the others to make sure it's even. Alright, so let us go. Alright, so put you, crochet you in, bop, bada boop, bada bop. Whoa, you going in the hoop, the loop, carry it through, baby, and you go like this. Now hold on. You see that one here when I did show you? That one here did kind of fresh at this. Yeah, cause that one here tall. That one here did kind of fresh. So when me I try to put in the ear them in a this in the full. So I go just wrap it around. When me start though, I just wrap around my hair. I never put it inside it again. I just wrap my hair round it like this, right? Wrap my hair like this, and then now me use this here. I'm break it in half, right? I use this here, and then now me wrap it. You see, if I try to do it neat, it's not going to look fluffy and nice. See it? So either way, it's still a get wrap up and tucky like a ear. And because the ear here, you know, then the hair here coming like your hair, so it really and truly a go hold. You see it? Look. And if you feel like you want it bigger or more puffier, you just add like pieces of these, like right here. So look on the little break here for the right side, right? So the next piece, we just do like this. Right? Try not to do it tight. As I say, if you do it tight, you're not gonna have the look where you want. Alright, so when it reached to the end, I'm going to stay like this now. It don't really matter, you know, because the fluffier it be for me, and the more it look better. You understand? Alright, so you come down, you try and measure it with the rest of them to make sure no say it and the rest of them are the same thing. Then you do like this. You wrap your hand like this. It's like you're making a knot, right? You're tight. Alright, you see that piece here? Fold it like this. Hope so you see, fold it like this. See the knot here. This now you fold it like this, and the hair here you're going to wrap it go up so it cover the piece I here. Alright, you see the piece here now? You see, if it not fully closed like how you see this not closed, you can always find one little scraps of piece here and just tie it round and just knot it round like this. Bam! And then you do like this, baby. It not go nowhere. See? No, seriously, it not go nowhere at all. Alright, now you see that piece here. We finished with the right round and stuff. Yeah, but we go back at the front. Up here, so. But we go up here, so that one here. What we did do, you see this, the tall one here. See it here? The tall one here. Where you go there, see? You measure it. Don't cut it in a bit. Don't cut it in a because you're going to want the hair to use again. So you're going to measure it. Measure it like this with the rest of them and just fold it up like this, right? Make sure no say it and the rest of them are the same. You know, they have to be the same because you don't know. Anyway, stay like this, fold it up, and then now you see a piece of here, one next piece of here where you have. Wait no man, I'll show you if you tuck it away, man. Sure. The next piece of here, where you go do? You're gonna make sure hold it like this. You can, and then do this and wrap it round. Now reach at the bottom, you can come back up at the top and do this, right? until everything done. You see that piece here now will leave. The piece here will leave. You can always wrap it up and cover this, right? Cover the piece here where I stick out. Wrap it come right up. I don't know if you have sew or go on. If it look like it's too fluffy for you, you just go like this. Or you can always use one next piece of hair and wrap it tight. Wrap it tighter. I think I'm gonna do that because if you notice this is taller than the rest. Yes. See it? No worry, you see them here? You see them here? Hey, them are gonna come in and don't worry, don't trim them off, you know. You see this? Them piece here? Don't worry. I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do with them. I'm gonna put on them look something there on it. Right here, so have my little hair jewelries on it and then come back, alright? And voila. Yeah, this is it, guys. I'm gonna put on my little jewelries them. And yeah, me no want to overdo it with too much jewelry on it. You can do it anyhow you want it. Me choose the center part. You can always flip it round. You can do it anyhow you want, anyway how you want it. Me literally think that in the make fit me. This is what me think. So this is what the back is looking like. Yeah. Look on it, it looks so real. I mean, if you see me in person, you honestly think me would have been real locks. Yeah man, wanna think? Leave it in the comment section, alright? So last week video, these are the persons that commented on it. Of course, we have It's Your Girl Nika, we have Sashi Expressions, we have Julia McDonough, we have Everall Arrow, we have Taze Fitness Robust, we have Alisa_World, Life as Kali, and of course we have Jordan Christina. All right, thank you so much guys, thank you so much again for commenting under my videos and leaving your thoughts. So that is the end of the video guys. I do hope you do enjoy it, and of course if you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share the video of course with your family and your friends. And what I mean by share, I always say that something here. What I mean by share the video, I not just mean sound for just not talk it out some more because I talk sake. I really and truly need it to share the video. And make sure to subscribe of course if you want more content like this, alright? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.